So this is 7b97z14, line 22. 7b97z14, Higgs Superlattice Drude Joule formula 5G Wow Seti. This is the alien radio signal with its math equations. And this is providing the Drude Model electrons algorithms to be true with the Higgs boson mass particles. Higgs signals and superlattice Joule formula in the Wow data line 22, cross-reference lines 1 to 27. So this is July 25th, 2013. Today's August 26th. So line 22, 7b97H was the free electron model crystal lattice, 5G Wow Seti. That was the previous video. And 97Z13, which was Univalent function Higgs Superlattice formula, the UFO. That was the previous video. So this is what this is based on, a keyword search for it. Quotes diagrams are from Wiki. This is the Drude Model electrons, shown here in the blue, the little blue dots with the circles, and constantly bounce between heavier stationary crystal ions, which are shown in red. The Drude model of electrical conduction was proposed in 1900 by Paul Drude to explain the transport properties of electrons in materials, especially metals. August 19, 2013, my thoughts. The Wow data shows quantum transport properties of electrons in superalloy bendable metals formulas. Found lines 1 to 22 so far. Cross-reference at lines 1 to 27 to find all Wow data. Quote, Wiki Drude model includes the model, which is an application of kinetic theory, assumes that the microscopic behavior of electrons in a solid may be treated classically and looks much like a pinball machine, with a sea of constantly jittering electrons bouncing and rebouncing off heavier, relatively immobile positive ions. August 19th, my thoughts. The Drude model can be used with the kinetic theory formulas found in the Wow data lines 1 to 22, cross-reference lines 1 to 27. Electron flavors in solid, gas, or liquid states act like a pinball machine with bouncing, colliding particles mixed with a new Higgs mass boson particle and tau electron neutrinos. The mixture of neutrinos and other particles bounce off the positive ions found in the electron holes, two superlattice walls, and crystals. The Wow data formulas in lines 1 to 22. Line 22 has a massive amount of formulas that pertain to the core engine of the UFO spaceship and its space communication signals. The Higgs signal and particles structures are found in the Wow data formulas lines 1 to 22, and you're going to cross-reference lines 1 to 27. There are formulas for different types of ions in the Wow data as well. Quotes Wiki Drude model continues. The two most significant results of the Drude model are an electronic equation of motion, and that's the calculations there, and a linear relationship between current density J and electric field E. August 19th. The Drude model shows us an electronic equation of motion to use with the liquid argon gas neutrino particle mixtures within the core of the UFO engine's electron ribbon pencil laser beam mixture. See formulas line 22 and 1 to 27 in cross-reference. Formula from data. The Drude model, electronic equation, motion, mass, particles, linear relationship between current density, Higgs boson particle without mass. Add the Higgs boson particle with mass, found in line 22 Wow data formulas on how to add mass to the Higgs particles. Then you add the electric field, which would be the, Higgs signals and the electric field, combined superlattice, electron holes, Higgs boson signals equals electric field, I'm repeating myself there, equals electric field equals Drude model theory proven. Quote, Wiki Drude model continues. The Drude model words repeated to explain the function. The two most significant results of the Drude model are an electronic equation of motion and a linear relationship between current density J and E field, and J equals, and that's the calculation there. Interrupting this equation for linear relationship current density J and electric field E for the Drude model. August 19th, my thoughts. The above calculation looks like Joule to me, the word Joule, with J equal Joule being the equation in brackets and E. Google Joule to see if it means anything. Quote Wiki on the word Joule. Joule is a beehive, was a workers' mutual aid society founded in Prague in 1868 by the old Czech politician and economist Francis Ladislav Čolobred. August 19th, my thoughts. Joule is the equation in Joule, meaning a beehive structure. And we're thinking outside the box here, so please bear with me. The queen bee is in the middle as the proton, and the neutrinos and leptons, fermion particles, see Wow line 22 formulas to make it, are the bouncing bees that hover in and around the queen bee, or in this case, the proton energy ring that's created in the core engine of the UFO spaceship found in the Wow data. Back to the Drude Model algorithm quote wiki. Here T is the time, and P, Q, N, M, and T are respectively an electron's momentum, charge, number density, mass, and mean free time between ionic collision. The latter expression is particularly important because it explains in semi-quantitative terms why Ohm's laws, one of the most ubiquitous relationships in all of electromagnetism, should be true. The model was extended in 1905 by Hendrik Antoon Lorentz, and is also known as the Drude-Lorentz model and is a classical model. Later it was supplemented with the results of a quantum theory in 1933 by Drude-Sommerfeld and Hans Bethe, leading to the Drude-Sommerfeld model. August 19th, my thoughts. Formulas in line 22 Wow data mention electron momentum, Ohm's laws, electromagnetism, mean free time, cross-reference lines 1 to 27 of the Wow data. The key word is the Drude model is going to continue in the next several videos. Thank you for watching.